Have you ever wondered why we have different units of measurement? Why, for instance, a mile is used in the United States, but kilometers are preferred elsewhere? Or why a pound is not the same as a kilogram? Today, we're going to unravel the enigma of units of measurement, diving into the complexities of the metric, US, and SI systems. Procedis or Cree. First up, the metric system, a system based on the number 10. This system is widely used around the world, and for good reason. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it's easy to use. The base units in the metric system include the meter for length, the gram for mass, and the liter for volume. And then there are metric prefixes, kilo, centi, milli, and so on. These prefixes indicate a multiple or fraction of a unit. For example, a kilometer is 1,000 meters, and a milligram is 1,000th of a gram. One kronlai. Now, let's cross the pond to the US system, also known as the US customary units. This system, as you might guess, is primarily used in the United States. Unlike the metric system, which is based on tens, the US system is based on other numbers. For example, there are 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, and so on. US system's base units include the pound for weight, the foot for length, and the gallon for volume. Hondeki all ade astain, but then we have the SI, or the International System of Units. This is a modern form of the metric system, and it's the most widely used system of measurement in the world. The SI system has 7 base units, including the meter for length, the kilogram for mass, and the second for time. Each of these units is defined by a specific physical constant rather than a physical object or arbitrary standard. That's high. So why do we have these different systems? Well, the answer lies in history, culture, and tradition. Each system evolved over time to meet the needs of the people using it. And while the world is slowly moving towards a universal system, old habits die hard. In summary, the metric, US, and SI systems each have their own unique sets of base units and ways of scaling these units. The metric system is based on tens and uses prefixes for multiples and fractions. The US system uses different base numbers and has unique units for weight, length, and volume. The SI system, meanwhile, is a modern form of the metric system with base units defined by physical constants. So the next time you're converting miles to kilometers or pounds to kilograms, remember, it's not just about numbers. It's about history, culture, and the ever-evolving human need to quantify and understand the world around us.